I'm Jacquelyne. We go from one accent to another. I have been, I guess, most impressed, like all of you, with the integrity of Ann and everyone that I've dealt with. It's really given me the assurance, because I'm probably like y'all, I have dabbled in several things that just have not profited like I thought they would. But when I came on board and Ann shared Memorial Day weekend, it touched me so deeply. It just touched me, and I said, you know what? This is my tribe. I have ears to hear this chick right here. She's my peeps. And then, you know, the interaction with everybody else has been equally the same. Sharon and Lisa and Dave. I'm crazy about Dave. He's a great kid. Yes, I'm crazy about him. I'm expecting great things from him. So, you know, I signed up for all three, 30-day acceleration, and I'm sitting in Kingwood, Texas, and I'm like drinking water from a fire hydrant. I am, oh my God, I'm so overwhelmed. And I'm like, what have I done? But I knew, you know, I knew down here it was going to be okay. Thank God there was hope in the future. This weekend was coming. And so I just stepped away from that back room that had so much pressure. You know, you come here and put your goals down every day, and I tried that for a day or two. And here's the kicker. I mean, I retired 8 years ago, and then I'm going to go into 30-day hustle? You have got to be kidding me. I'm retired. So then I had a reality check. And I said, okay, let's slow this motor scooter down. Woo! So, and I'm telling you, I am so encouraged. Me and my girls, we are encouraged. It's been wonderful. I love you, Danita, and Sharon and Lisa and Dave, and who was the guy up there too? And I just love y'all. I mean, y'all are the real deal. Lonnie, he was at our table last night. We're best friends now.
We're going to go on dancing.
Yeah.